Welcome to Best Western Plus Corning Inn, where comfort, convenience, and adventure converge. Experience a warm welcome as you step into our inviting lobby. Unwind in our spacious and comfortable rooms, equipped with modern amenities like microwave, refrigerator, ironing board, and more. Take advantage of outdoor pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking, beach access, and more. Families or those looking to relax will love this place. Corning offers an array of attractions. Visit the Olive Pit, Bell Carter Olive Factory, Rolling Hill Casino, ThunderHill Raceway. Best Western Plus Corning Inn, your gateway to Corning's finest. Visit www.bestwesternpluscorninginca.com to book your stay today and experience the best of California. For hotel booking, visit our website, clicking the link in the video description below.